So today is 14th of May. As you can see, the road get blocked by the cows and the bulls because right now they have no place to go and rest since their place has been captured and occupied by humans and human activity, because this is the place where they usually went to graze and rest during this hot weather. And also this place has a lot of grasses, so they eat the grasses, rest in the mud and chill out over this summer climate. So today's video will be my last video of consequences of random development. This will be the last video. So the earlier videos I have not described anything in those videos because those videos are completely made for observation purposes, for my observation and for the observation of doctor about the recovery of that dog. So there is something happened for which I uploaded those videos to aware people about the situation. So on December of 20, somewhere December of 20, the road was not made. As you can see, the road was not made up to the center line. The center line you see, up to that center line, from that side to the center line, the road was there. So this was the and from center line to up to this point, the road was made newly. So it was completely gravel road in which the dog was sleeping or resting, you can say. So some vehicle, some car coming from this side, all of a sudden made it so fast to overtake some other vehicle. Remember, this is a turning, here is another, and above there where the cows are standing, cows and bulls, that is also a turning. So in 3 turnings that vehicle pick up speed, like many people drive like that crazy. So what happened, they hit the dog so badly that you can see in that video that the dog unable to walk. So all those things happen during after somewhere around 3 p.m. afternoon. I saw the dog at 4 p.m. since there is less number of people around here, so nobody stopped the car or said anything to him. He hit and run. It was a hit and run, completely hit and run. So when I came out, I saw the dog and started making the video so that I can show it to the doctor, because it's a stray dog and I was unable to take him to the hospital. So there is also a scam project of animal ambulance which was launched by the state government like 2 years ago, just after the lockdowns. You have seen that animal vehicle, that 1962. That was a complete scam right now, because they launch programs but they are unable to run it properly because they lack funds. Because they have to divert funds to this kind of gimmicks to fool people. Like there are some businessmen, because businessmen do marketing gimmicks to fool people to sell their product. So state government or the present center government is doing the same thing, marketing gimmicks to fool people. Project that doesn't benefit the life of a common person or the environment or the animals or climate of the environment is basically a marketing gimmick just to vote them and bring them to power. So where are we? So the ambulance came and didn't help out much. They just give the painkiller and walk away saying that it won't be fixed. So after that I went to the doctor, to the hospital. I went to the doctor, showed him. The doctor gave me some medicine. I started treating him on my own. Uh, and after like 10 20 days, I believe 20 days, somewhere around January 15 to 20, the dog was almost 90% okay. He started walking and started running slowly. 90% okay, because he was not completely good. You can notice from his walk that something wrong happened to his legs. So he was almost recovered. And on 9th of February, some guy, again some random guy, a hooligan, completely ran over him. He was leaving Puri, and all this incident happened during the morning hours, like early morning hours, somewhere around 4 or 5. I haven't seen it. Some guy leaving my town from this side to this side. This is the exit point of my town. So some guy ran over that dog. His intestines came out and he must have died like really in pain. He didn't die instantly. He must have died very, what shall I say, in a lot of pain. Over there where the barricade was there, just a few meters from that barricade, that dog died. So how was that dog died? Because even animals know that the roads are completely new and everything was new, good and clean. So all the dogs who live here or there in this neighborhood went to this wasteland to pee and shit. Even dogs understand that the roads are completely new and shitting and peeing in the road is make the roads filthy. So they used to cross the road and go to that wasteland to shit and pee. So that was the event, I believe. That's why the dog crossed the road and went to there. While returning back, as you can see, a dog is coming, like the dog is crossing the road. Same way that dog must be crossing the road. And some guy who was driving like crazy, because I don't know why people do it. In early mornings people went completely crazy. They drive completely crazy when the roads are completely empty. So that guy could have hit the brake and that dog could have been saved. But that guy didn't hit the brake. It must be a car or a truck that ran over on the backside of him. So his intestines are out. When I saw in the morning, when I get out of the house to go to the hospital for some other stuff, I saw that the dog was lying down there. He crawled few feet from where the accident happened. He crawled few feet because the bikes where you can so where the car is passing right now, the dog was at that point, crawling in a crawling position. He was gone in a crawling position. So from that, so that thing broke my heart completely. So this is so it was night, so you won't able to see it. That dog is his partner, and somewhere there. That dog is his partner, and she was completely alone right now. I have to remove him from the road because again some dumb guy. Here you can see that dog. So that dog was completely became alone since his partner died. So now I have a job to remove that dog from this place and relocate him somewhere else. But I won't able to do it till now because it will be really difficult for an animal to go into some other place and live there, because the animals are territorial organism, same like us humans. So after 9th of February, for that reason I was not making any videos or uploading it. So after 9th of February I have witnessed a lot of similar events, like 3 events I witnessed. One event completely happened in front of my eyes, so from that I understand what is the scenario. A animal was trying to cross the road. You are driving a vehicle, you just need to hit the brake a little bit so that the animal can cross it, but people didn't hit the brake. And I saw one such accident where a auto rickshaw just ran over a puppy, like 4 months old puppy, and that puppy died within like 2 to 5 minutes. It was really a painful moment. Lot of shouting and lot of growling, and eventually people tried to save that puppy. I was also there, but he died. He died due to trauma, severe trauma. He died. Another incident also I saw in the beginning of March, where at midnight while I was returning from an wedding, some guy also hit a puppy on the road. That puppy was dying, shouting like crazy, in a lot of pain. I tried to save him, but I failed. He also died. Another puppy who was got hit by a car so badly that that his back legs got completely paralyzed. His back portion was broke, spinal cord injury, and his back legs are completely damaged. Like same also for 3-4 month old puppy. So the thing is, don't see it as an animal or a nothing. That was a puppy, similar to a human kid. So they don't know about the dangers of the road. So they are born on the side of the road. So the road is their home. So while driving vehicle, be careful, be little responsible while driving the vehicles, because that puppy, since it was alive, all his back legs have been broken. He was crawling through his front legs only. So I started looking around for some NGO or something like that who can rescue him and take care of him, because government is spending money like this. Who cares about the society or the well-being of the society and the people and the organism and the plants living in it? Who cares about it? It's all about winning the election, no matter whatever it takes. So fortunately I found a person who was trying to run an NGO who take care of the animal, especially dogs. So she accepted to adopt that dog almost a month ago, in the month of April, because that dog lived next to this kind of highway, heavily crowded highway, and the accident happened somewhere in that highway only. So the dog is crawling on the side of the highway. Sometime crossing the highway, crawling that position. So when I saw that dog, because it was dangerous, because some guy will eventually ran over him without caring about that animal, or without caring about that he has taken a life. So this is the scene, because when a vehicle do such kind of things a lot of time, so he lost some of his humanity in that process. And eventually, if a human child come in front of him while he was enjoying his ride, he won't hit the brake, he will run over him. That is a normal human tendency, I can say you that only. So please, I know everybody who is riding a car, you have a lot of money. Please ride carefully and help these NGOs who take care of animal on their will, spending their time and money helping these animals. Because the NGO where I left the dog, the woman is taking a lot of good care of him, but she was not financially strong. Neither she is financially strong, nor she had a lot of work power. So she is doing all on his own, and which is really a great thing to say. As you can see, the cows are stacking up on the road because they can't go inside to graze. So this is what the development is going in the holy land of Lord Jagannath. The development, why I call this, all these things are scam, because the development that doesn't benefit the people living in the society, or the animals, or anything that live in the society, or any organization. If the development is not helping, then that is not a development, that is basically a scam. So thank you guys. If you found it informative, do share it with others. Be responsible while driving your vehicle. Don't become a hooligan or drive like crazy. Some people drive like crazy. Don't become like that. And if you have a little time or little money, do donate it to the people who are taking care of these animals. You can find those people on you can find about those people on internet, is the best place. I cannot specifically say their name, but if you try, you will find them, because when I tried, I find them. As you know, I am not a jobless. I don't have a job. I'm a jobless person. But whatever help I can provide them, I did it. So that's it, guys. Thank you.